Sleep well. Be open to magic. Magic is here for us. The world is here to support us if we let ourselves believe in the power of goodness. If no one has told you today, I love you. I don't know you, but I believe in your power. You're magical. You're wise. You know you can do it. You're like a river. You're like a river that carves its own way, potent and strong. Yes. Just one foot in front of the other, and before we know it, we get there. Chin up, smile. The new day is waiting for you. The new day, full of magic, full of opportunity, full of miracles. The new day is here for us. It's waiting. It's waiting for us to take it one step, one moment, one dream, one word, one thought, one smile, one strong intention after the other at a time. Go get it. I love you, and I believe in you. Have a great day.